Hello, this is Food Fighter with Bundt cake. Catchy title. It's the chosen party cake for when the chosen tribe are getting baked. It should be called Yiddish nosh cake because it's perfect for when you have a few mensch around and everyone wants a slice of delicious, moist, sweet, soft, fruity, brandy-soaked cake. This is the ultimate Jewish party cake. The name means group cake. I'll show you how to make it now. So let's drown your favourite raisins in your favourite brandy. Now, I prefer to use the fresh yeast because it gives you a sweeter bun, but it's up to you. Give those drunken raisins another stir, and then you can throw in your yeasty mixture into an awaiting bowl of flour. Later on, you're going to need a plate. I suggest you put this into a warm place, like maybe a kitchen or something like that. Half an hour maybe. Then you're going to get your softened butter, all of your softened butter. There you go. Then you can throw in your flour and yeast mixture and give it a good whiz in a food mixer. You need a few eggs, a bit of sugar, go for your organic stuff, and now you can throw in your drunken raisins. Now you can throw in candied peel or you can use the real stuff. I think candied is nice. Use your best vanilla essence, don't use that castoreum fake stuff. Throw in a bit of salt, give it a good mix, and now we can start putting it into the famous Bundt mold, whatever you want to call it. Fill it up. If you have too much, good for you. You can make a few muffins. I was able to make about a dozen, which were very popular. Stick it into a preheater oven, and after it comes out, let it cool a little bit. Slap a plate on it and flip it. Hopefully it'll come out clean. Ta-da! Anytime now. There you go. A little piece on the bottom of the plate. That's for the chef. Okay, it's gone. And these muffins, they were delicious. I'd recommend it. Anyway, give us a like, subscribe, share. Cheers. Bye.